Okay, I'm going to show you how to make chutney marinated tofu. This is good for salad, for putting on the grill, for sandwiches. It comes out amazing. And we're going to start with tofu because I always like to add a little bit of protein if I'm going to eat it as a main meal. So we're going to chop this tofu up and marinate it first. First things first. So let's just make it into small bite-sized pieces. It's flying away. And I'm going to marinate it first with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That just adds a little bit of nice crispness, moisture, mouth feel. It lets the marinade take a little nicely. And then we're going to add chutney. So this is mint and cilantro chutney. I'm just adding in a good, maybe 1/3 cup. And you're going to mix this around. We'll add a little bit of salt. Marinades always need a little bit of extra saltiness to really soak in. Oh, this is lovely. Smells beautiful. The mint, the cilantro, the green peppers. And of course, I always add a little bit of avocado in my chutney. So that's a thing. And about 2 teaspoons salt. Yes, it will soak in and be delicious. Okay, this marinade will have that tangy, citrusy, nice spicy mouthfeel. Okay, you can put this in the refrigerator and store it for later use, or you can use it in about an hour. You can air fry it, you can throw it on the grill, you can just smush it up and throw it in a sandwich. It is delicious.